Okay guys, so tonight what I wanted to show you was a new trend that Stampin' Up! Has been talking about, and it's called simple stamping. And this is good for beginner stampers or for someone who just want to get cards done like really quick. If you maybe want to make a stack of cards as note cards for someone for a gift, this would be a good idea for you. So all I'm doing is this tiny little 3x4 little card, and I'm going to use the stamp set Flourishing Phrases. And I'm going to use, this is the two stamp set. It comes in 2 cases. This is the one that I combined into the one. So after I took them all apart, I put them all together like this. So today I'm going to use this flower stamp, this little leaf, and this thank you very much. But this is a cool stamp set. It has a pretty flower, it has this flourish, it has leaves, the thank you so very much, and they're like the sentiments that go on the outside and the inside. So like, for example, these are all the other sentiments that come with it. So like, for example, it'll say you can put with sympathy on the front, and then on the inside, the words can express just how deeply your love and support has been appreciated. Or I guess that wouldn't go with that one. Comfort and healing. And then the I love you. I think it more often than I say it, but I just want to make sure you know it. Comfort and healing to you. Praying that your heart will be lifted by many loving thoughts that surround you today. Marriage is a journey. Good thing you get to bring along your best friend. Congratulations. Thank you so very much. You know, a lot of really nice sentiments. So that's why I picked this one. I hadn't used it yet. I just put it together. So I'm using Lovely Lipstick for the flower. And I'm going to use Lemon Lime Twist. I love this green. So pretty much all we're going to do is, I love these. So simple stamping, quick and easy cards. So I'm going to ink up, and this is one that I also trimmed that I was telling you earlier about, trimming the edges of the stamp to try to alleviate getting the excess ink around the edges. So I'm going to ink up. It looks pretty good. When that happens, I put a little bit of snail on the back of my block, and then there, it'll pick it up. I already inked it up, so I don't want to put my fingers all over it. Push it down a little bit. It should stick. All right. So since that showed you that just happened, Stampin' Up! Came up with some new cling stamps. The sticker that we put on, a lot of people don't put it on because they don't stick on to the blocks as well. So with the new occasions catalog, you'll see cling stamps. Now those stickers are super, super sticky. They're the new cling stamps that I guess they're going to be making going forward. They're trying them out with this occasion catalogs to see how everybody likes them. And from what I hear, the stickers are really, really, really sticky. So once I get them, I'll show you. So usually what I do is before I stamp, I push these on really good. So hopefully that problem won't happen in the future. But okay, so here we go, simple stamping. Just gonna do one quick stamp here and leave it for a couple seconds just to let it get onto the paper. I'm gonna use I'll push that one more time. I'm gonna use my Lemon Lime Twist for the leaves. I'll do a little more because this one's kind of light. And I'm gonna throw it, you know what, I want to throw it to the side, so I'm gonna use a scrap paper here so I can stamp off. So I'm gonna stick it this way. You see how I use that paper bag to stamp off so it comes off a little bit? And then I'm going to use the lovely lipstick again for my sentiment. And I think I'm going to put my sentiment down here. So we just used 1 stamp set, 2 ink pads. And you see this one I haven't trimmed off. So you see how there's ink around the edges because I'm going crazy with my ink pad. So now when I stamp, I'm going to be careful. And I'm going to put it down right here. Pretty good. And there we go. Simple stamping. Quick and easy cards. You only use, some people are just using 1 ink pad, but I mean, more than likely, most of us have more than 1 color. If you just have 2 colors, this would be a quick and easy card to make using this simple stamping method. Super cute. I hope you guys like it. I want to see some simple stamping. Get your stamps out. Stamp, 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 stamp. Post pictures of what you're stamping. Show me what you're doing. If you have questions, let me know. Now that the holidays are over, I'm happy to be back in my craft room. I'm going to be stamping my little heart out, sending out these thank you cards. I think I'm going to make these for all of you guys and send them to you to show you this simple stamping method. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.